Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to make these roasted garlic potatoes step by step. So stay tuned. So here is what I will be using. I have potatoes, garlic cloves. Of course, with the garlic you can choose to peel or not to peel them. I have parsley. I have grounded paprika, and I have grounded pepper. Also salt, olive oil, and butter. So I start with cutting the potatoes, and I'll cut them into wedges, making sure I'm cutting them not too thick and not too thin. I will then put the garlic cloves into the bowl with the potatoes. You can choose to either cut the garlic cloves in small pieces or even use a whole garlic without peeling it. So I will go ahead and add grounded black pepper onto the potatoes, and I'm putting according to the taste that I like. I mean, yes, if you want more chili, you can definitely put more. I will then add salt into the potatoes, and after that I will add olive oil. Just put the amount of olive oil that is enough for the potatoes to bake properly. And after the olive oil, I'll add paprika. You can put as much as you want. And then after all the ingredients, mix the potatoes well so that the ingredients are well mixed with the potatoes. Then put the bowl with the potatoes into the oven. The oven is already heating at 180 degrees. You can choose also to put it a little bit higher to 190 or until 200. And the potatoes will be roasted for about 30 to 40 minutes. Well, as the potatoes are getting roasted, I will go ahead and prepare butter, and about 1 to 2 spoons of butter. I will then add 2 to 3 spoons of parsley, and I will use this mixture to coat my garlic potatoes. Well, you can see the garlic potatoes are nicely roasted. They have that nice yellow golden color. Yes, I wanted them to be exactly this way. They turned out to be exactly, my garlic potatoes turned out to be exactly how I wanted them to be. So I'll add parsley until I have enough on my potatoes, until I achieve that mix that I really want. So if you happen to use this recipe, you can also choose to use coriander or parsley. I also use sometimes coriander. I like it because of its flavor. So with these potatoes, you can choose to eat them with anything, like just a snack, or with roasted meat, or with chicken. And in this case, I enjoyed them with roasted meat. Yes. So guys, just comment below if you like this recipe, and hope to see you in my next video.